Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and today I am going to show you 3 easy blues licks. And after I've shown you how to play them, I'm going to show you how you can play a whole 12-bar blues solo with them. So for this lesson you'll need a C harmonica. We're playing in 2nd position in the key of G, and the best thing is there won't be any bends, so it is super easy. So your first lick is going to sound like this. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are starting with two draws in a row. They are played as 8th notes, so those are notes that last for half a beat. So you're going to play 2 draw, 2 draw. You're going to articulate them. So I'm using a 2 articulation, so I'm saying, but if you find that that makes your 2 draw sound a little bit tight and strained like this, then try more of a da sound. That'll use a bit of your tongue that's a little bit further back, and it'll cause less pressure on the airflow. Okay, so you're going to play that, and then you've got 3 beat rest, so you're going to count 2, 3, 4, and then you've got a sequence of quarter notes. 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, 2 blow. So those are notes that last for a whole beat each. And then we end on beat 1 of the next bar with 2 draw, 2 draw, once again as 8th notes and articulated. So all the way through, nice and slowly, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, excellent. Right, let's move on to the next lick, which is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are starting once again with articulated 8th notes, but this time we are on the 4 blow. So we're going to play 4 blow, 4 blow, and then have a 3 beat rest again. Then play it again on the first beat of the next bar, with then a 1 beat rest, and then a 2 draw quarter note, 2 blow quarter note, and then ending on 2 draws again, articulated 8th note. So that rest. Okay, so let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. Right, let's have a look at the 3rd lick. So the 3rd lick is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are playing 3 sets of articulated 8th notes. So the first set is 4 draw, so we're doing 4 draw, 4 draw, then a 3 beat rest. Then the second set is 4 blow, 4 blow, then a 3 beat rest. And then the final set is 2 draw, 2 draw, and then a 3 beat rest. So let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I actually lied to you at the beginning. I'm not giving you 3 licks, I'm giving you 4 licks. So this final lick is actually a turnaround lick, so it's the kind of lick that you would hear at the end of a 12-bar blues to signal that we're going back to the beginning of the 12-bar blues. And it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was a sequence of 8th notes. We're playing 2 draw, 2 blow, 1 draw, 1 draw. So those 1 draws at the end are going to be articulated. Let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well done. So you have learnt 4 licks. And now what you can do, you can either use those to improvise with, you can play 1 lick at a time, or we can put it together to turn it into a nice 12-bar blues. Let's have a little listen to what that would sound like. All right, so you'll see that all I did was just link those licks together. But let's just have a really quick talk about the space that you're going to leave in between the licks and where they land. So our first lick, the one that went like this. We're starting that on beat 1 of bar 1 of a 12-bar blues. So it's landing over the 1 chord. And that takes up bar 1, bar 2, and then the first beat of bar 3. And then we're going to rest all the way through the rest of bar 3, all the way through the rest of bar 4, before we come into lick 2, which goes over the 4 chord in bars 5, 6, and then first beat of bar 7. Okay, and then we rest for the rest of bar 7, then all of bar 8, and then we hit lick 3 in bar 9 over the 5 chord. Then bar 10, then bar 11, and then we hit the turnaround. Okay, so let's try that whole thing all the way through slowly, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, excellent, excellent work. So now let's try it at full speed with the backing track. All right, excellent, excellent work. So you might need to practice each of those licks slowly, build up the speed before you can play them with the backing track. But you will get there, you've got to persevere. And to make it easier for you to practice it, I've put together resources for this lesson. So there's a PDF of the tab for all the licks, and there are audio clips and a backing track for you to play along to. So if you want to get those, just click on the link in the description below and input your email address and I'll send that through to you. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, before you run away, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, because that means that you'll get notified when I put out a lesson. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Happy harping. Okay, one more thing before you go away. If you're feeling a little bit lost in your harmonica journey and you want some guidance and a little bit of structure, then I suggest you check out my online harmonica school, where I provide just that. I will provide you a curriculum with well thought out practice guides, giving you step-by-step lessons. I'll also give you feedback on your playing, actual personalized feedback when you upload recordings to the students only forum. I also do a weekly live Q&A session where I answer all of your questions. And you'll also get access to guest seminars from really cool guest teachers, people like Harry Higgs, like Will Wild, like Ronnie Shellist. We also get guest Q&As from David Barrett, Adam Gusso. So it really is the place to go for learning harmonica. So if you want to find out a little bit more about that, just click on the link in the description below. All right, take it easy and happy harping.